My advanced machine comes with a SK50 spindle. Spindle have a reference pair, and this reference pair comes with different values. And why presetter? The importance of presetter is if you want to measure the tool dia and the tool GPL, axial radial runout, and up angle or side angle cutting edge inspection. Machine have a three axis, the Z axis, X axis, or rotational axis. Here we have a boring bar operations. If customer have a boring bar operations, to preset a adjustable tool, it will take some time, 3 to 4 minutes. By using our presetter machine, it will take only 2 minutes. You can adjust your tools within a 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Within a few seconds, we can preset our tool dia. By using this presetter machine, you can increase your tool life, to reduce tool accidents, to reduce machine downtime. If you want to know more about my advance, so please get in touch with our experts.